Well, hello, friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with me, Letitia McKinney. I pray that everyone is having a fantastic and wonderful day. Well, today I wanted to share this beautiful centerpiece that can be used for any type of event, whether for home decor or even for an upcoming wedding or event. So let's get started in today's tutorial. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do, I did make sure that my mirror is clean as well as my stand, and I'm going to take my stand and place it right on the top of my mirror in the center. Now, this is where I place my candle holders that I will be using for my candle stands. Now, these are the candle stands that I will be using in this tutorial. I think they're so beautiful. I am just placing my candle stands in my candle holders so it can look more elegant. So I'm going to be placing these additional candle holders to place some small, beautiful, dazzling tea light holders on here. I'm going to be adding my LED light. I think it brings so much beauty to it, and also my floral centerpiece. So while I was looking at the centerpiece, I decided to add some more LED lights to it because I think it just needs a little bit more to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some tea light holders anywhere where I see any empty spots. So let's dazzle this up with some acrylic stones to just bling this beautiful centerpiece out. Tell me what you think down below. Leave your comments and I'll be sure to get back with each and every last one of you. You guys have a beautiful and blessed weekend. Thank you so much. So if you like what you're seeing today and you would like to see more tutorials like this, go ahead on and click that face down there. I would love to have you over here on our team. Once you do that and you click my face, you're going to turn on your bell ringer so every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. All right, friends, catch you in the next one. Blessings.